Coloring book keywords. So guys, in this video I am gonna share with you some keywords for coloring books. So here you can see I have a list of 40 coloring book keywords for you, and in this video what I am gonna do is I wanna know the Amazon search results, average bestsellers ranks, and the URLs. I have already done this search volume thing, and in this video I am going to show you the rest of these three metrics for determining the valuability of these keywords and profitability of these keywords. So by the way, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. Just close this one. So first let's check out our first keyword. This is coloring book for adults, and here we go. So 70,000 results. Let's put 70,000 here, and let's check out the Amazon bestsellers ranks. For that purpose I am using a Chrome extension, that is Unicorn Smasher, and here we can see 1020, and now let's get the URL, certain link, and copy and paste here. So anytime you need to get the updated data, you can come here and click this one, and you will see this page that is already populated with the desired keyword, and all you can do is note down this search result and install this Unicorn Smasher extension to get the average bestseller rank. So let's check out our next keyword, and that is coloring book for adults, relaxation. Let's close this one. So search results 50,000, just put 50,000 here, and let's see our bestsellers rank, and it is loading. It will take some time. So this average bestseller rank is 11,363. It will go here, 363, and now it's time to copy the link. Right click and shorten link and copy. Okay, now third keyword. Okay, coloring books, 80,000 results, 80,000, and it's time to get average bestseller rank, that is around maybe a few hundred or a few thousand. If it doesn't load, you can click here on the refresh and it will reload the results. At the moment 31,774, 31,774, and now get our link. Okay, these are very competitive keywords. Let's check out our fourth keyword, coloring books for kids ages 4 to 8, and 50,000 results, 50,000, and average bestseller rank. $29.55, $29.55, and let's get our link, copy link, and here it goes. Coloring book for kids ages 8 to 12, and here we go. 20,000 results, and here we check our average bestseller ranks using Unicorn Smasher. 11,879, and let's get our link. Okay, now our 7th keyword, ages 2 to 4. The only difference is ages 2 to 4. Search results are 30,000. You can see how heavy the competition is here in coloring books. But you need not to worry about, because later on these keywords, there are some keywords that are with low competition. 48,173. 173. I am doing this live keyword research in front of you so that you get the idea how to do keyword research, and you can do it yourself and come across some low competition keywords. So let's check out our next keyword. Coloring book for toddlers. You can also add these keywords as well, but I am just checking coloring book for toddlers for the demonstration purpose. That is 50,000 search results, and average bestseller rank would be very high too. I mean very good. That is 37,105, 37,105, and here we get our shortened link, copy link, and that is, here we go. Now let's check out our next keyword, that is coloring book for kids. $60,000 results. 60,000, and what is the average bestseller rank? $27,169. 27,169, and let's get our link. Okay, so let's check out 10th keyword. You can also check some lengthy or niche down keyword. If I am checking this teens, and it has 50,000 results, let's check out some other keyword. Teen and young adults. It has 2,000 search results. So first copy this one and replace our keyword, and let's check out the Google search. For that purpose I need to activate my keyword everywhere extension and reload this page so that we can get the Google search volume, and Google search volume says 0. It means this keyword isn't being searched in Google, and search results are very satisfactory that 2000, and let's get our average bestseller ranks, and that is quite decent, 20,816. That is a good keyword. 816, I am marking this as, because it has good search results, as green. That could be low competition keyword. So coloring book for boys. So let's put it here, and let's get this longer keyword first. I'm trying to get low competition keyword because the first search keywords were very highly competitive. That has 2000 search results as well. So let's replace this one and replace this one to 0 because it doesn't show any search volume for that. 0 searches per month. Let's get our average BSRs. So average BSRs are 35044. So our keyword is coloring books for boys, cool animals, and for that keyword our average bestseller ranks is 35,044. So let's put it on the proper place, and here is the search results. That is 2000 will go here. Okay, 2000. So, and here we will get our link, and that is here is link. I forgot to get link for this keyword, so I am getting it again. That is keyword, that is also low competition keyword, and that is coloring books for teens and young adults. Let's copy its link so that you can check it out later on. So in this way I will go through this list and also dig for low competition keywords, and then put a link to this Excel sheet in the description of this video, and also the very first comment of this video. You will have a link to download this for free and do your further research. So with that being said, I am signing off. Hit the thumbs up button. In this way my channel gets discovered in this YouTube search. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.